challenge that in just 7 days can make you truly improve. In this video, you will follow a story full of real dialogues and moments for you to practice English alone, talking to the mirror, showing how this can be fun and effective. And stay tuned, because the last part is definitely the best. If you think talking to yourself in English is weird or ridiculous, congratulations. That's exactly what Maria thought last week. She stood in front of the mirror and said,
Me? Speaking English to a mirror? That's insane.
But what seems strange to most is exactly what works. Maria followed the method of those who actually learn. She didn't overthink, she just walked to the mirror, looked into her own eyes, and said,
Hi, my name is Maria. I want to learn English. I want to speak. I want to try.
Her voice was shaky at first, but she said it again and again until the fear turned into familiarity. That's what you'll do today. Don't study, don't wait to know everything. Speak, even if you're not ready. Start with this.
Hi, my name is... Your name. I want to learn English. I want to speak. I want to try.
Want to go a bit further? Add,
I'm not perfect, but I'm brave. I will do this.
today is not about vocabulary. Today is about courage.
Yesterday, Maria faced the mirror. Today, she's facing something even harder. Her own voice. Yes, it's not English that stops you. It's the fear of hearing your voice in English. But guess what? Your voice doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to be used. Maria woke up, looked in the mirror, took a deep breath, and said,
Good morning. I'm here. I'm ready. Let's begin.
She decided today would be all about repetition. She took one simple phrase, "How are you?" and said it in many ways. How are you? Neutral. How are you? Emphasis. How are you? Surprised. How are you? Ironic. She laughed, felt silly, but kept going, because she realized the more you speak, the freer your voice becomes. Today, you'll do the same. Number 1, go to the mirror. Number 2, say,
Good morning. I'm here. I'm ready. Let's begin.
then repeat, how are you? Today, Maria discovered something strange. The mirror answers. Not with words, of course, but with posture, with presence, with truth. She got closer, looked into her own eyes, and asked,
What's your name?
and for the first time, she answered as if she were someone else.
My name is Maria.
She wasn't just practicing English. She was creating a real conversation, a bridge between who she is and who she wants to become. Maria kept going.
Where are you from?
I'm from Brazil. And you?
I'm from a small town, but I want to see the world.
It wasn't acting. It was transformation. Today, you'll create this conversation too. Don't read. Don't memorize. Invent. Answer. Ask. React. Here's your script. 1. Look into your own eyes. Ask, what's your name? Answer like you're your best friend. Continue with, where are you from? What do you like? What do you want to do in life? Don't correct. Create. Because fluency begins in the reflection. Stop right there. Pay attention. If you've made it this far, it means you're different. You want to learn. You're actually doing it. So here's what you do. Download the free PDF with phrases, exercises, and challenges to keep practicing with the mirror. Subscribe to the channel because this challenge is just getting started and the next days will blow your mind. And of course, like the video right now. Don't wait, don't forget, do it now, because those who wait fall behind. Today, she did something bold. She recorded herself saying,
I am learning English. I make mistakes, but I keep going.
Then she stared at the mirror for 60 seconds and said,
You are learning. You are doing great. You don't need to be perfect.
She repeated it until her voice came from deep inside, not from memory, but from the soul. Because when you speak while looking into your own eyes, you are training your mind who you are becoming. Today's practical challenge: 1. Record 3 powerful sentences out loud. 2. Talk to the mirror like you're your own coach. 3. Finish with,
You are enough. You are becoming fluent every single day.
Today, Maria discovered something no English book ever taught her. Speaking out loud changes everything. She had already read phrases in silence, listened to podcasts carefully, repeated things in her mind hundreds of times. But today, standing in front of the mirror, something was different. It wasn't the sentence, it was the presence. The mirror doesn't teach grammar, but it teaches something even more powerful: self-confidence. She looked into her own eyes and said,
Hi, my name is Maria. I'm learning English by myself.
At first, she felt embarrassed. Her voice was low, uncertain, but she repeated it.
I like studying at home. I use the mirror to practice every day.
She smiled. She heard herself. Did it sound weird? Yes, but it also sounded real.
Sometimes I make mistakes, but that's okay.
Maria understood. Mistakes are not enemies. They are training partners. And the mirror is her personal stage where she can fail without fear. Today's challenge: 1. Write 3 simple sentences about yourself. 2. Go to the mirror. 3. Speak each one slowly, with meaning, with emotion. 4. Repeat for 5 minutes. Record yourself if you want. Hearing your voice is also practice. 5. Smile. You're growing. Today, Maria had a dangerous thought. What if I never speak well enough? Many people have had this thought, but the secret isn't to erase the doubt. It's to answer it out loud, in front of the mirror. The mirror doesn't laugh. It doesn't roll its eyes. It doesn't correct you with arrogance. It simply shows who you're becoming. Today, Maria faced that fear. She took a deep breath and said,
Today, I feel a little nervous, but I will practice anyway. I know I'm not perfect, but I don't give up. Every day, I speak a little better. I trust myself.
She repeated again and again. The words grew stronger because the more you speak, the more your voice finds its path. Today, Maria realized that mirror practice isn't about memorizing phrases. It's about building the courage to be heard. Today's challenge: speak about your fear out loud, even if only you hear it. Even if your voice shakes, speak, because silence won't take you to fluency, but your voice will.
If this story made you think, practice, and speak more English than ever before, then you know what to do. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment below, I speak to the mirror, because when you write it, you commit to it. And when you subscribe, you never miss the next step in this journey. This channel isn't for perfection, it's for transformation. And if you want to go deeper, download the free PDF in the description. It has phrases, challenges, and insights to keep you going. Alone, but never lost.
Today, Maria woke up different. It wasn't the alarm clock or the coffee. It was what she saw in the mirror. 7 days ago, she could barely say hello without second-guessing her voice. But today, she looked herself in the eyes and said,
I'm not afraid anymore.
This final challenge wasn't about vocabulary. It wasn't about grammar. It was about truth. Speaking with honesty, in English, to herself.
I'm proud of you. You didn't give up. You showed up every single day.
Each sentence was a step. Each word, a reminder. She was no longer that uncertain woman. She had a voice. And now, that voice was echoing, clear, steady, alive. The mirror technique isn't just about repeating. It's about unlocking the parts of you that were hidden. With every gaze, she reconnected with a power she had forgotten. The kind that says,
I can. I deserve this. I will keep going.
On day 7, Maria realized English was just the beginning. She didn't just train a language. She trained confidence. She trained presence. She trained the art of never hiding again. Because in the end, the mirror never lies. And if you dare to face it, it will show you exactly who you've always been. Someone ready for the world.
7 days, one mirror, a new version of you. But this is just the beginning. If you made it this far, you're ready for the next step. Click the video beside this one and learn how to use English to truly change your life, even if you're starting from zero. Don't watch it later. Watch it now. Your future speaks English.